Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel to support this channel. So today we are going to discuss about a Bitcoin technical analysis, and one important pattern is going to form, whether this pattern is going to change the trend of Bitcoin to bearish trend, whether this is confirmed, this pattern is confirmed, or another one pattern is also forming that this will bring the Bitcoin to more than $20,000, whether it is going to make the Bitcoin to still continue in the bullish trend. So there are two patterns, there are two possibilities. We are going to discuss about the main two possibilities and how it is going to work out in the coming weeks. And also for Ethereum, we have been discussing about Ethereum in the previous videos about some certain patterns, whether it is going to be bullish or bearish. So we are going to discuss that one also, whether it is going to follow Bitcoin or not. So that's a major update, and hope we will be starting with market analysis, then we will be going to technical analysis of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. If we see the top past 24 hours top 10 coins, we have Bitcoin 1.1% up, Ethereum 1.6% up, XRP minus 2% down, Litecoin 2.8% up, Bitcoin Cash 8.3% up, Chainlink 2.2% up, Polkadot 6.1% up, Cardano 2.8% up, and Binance Coin 2.8% up. Overall, quite sideways for all these top 10 coins. And if we see past 24 hours top gainers, we have Swissborg 21.6% up, Elrond is performing very well, 59.8% in the past 7 days, and now it is 15.1% up in the past 24 hours. Sushi 16.3% up, Synthetics Network Token 12.8% up, Ocean Protocol 11.8% up, Kusama 12.7% up, and we have Bitcoin Cash 8.3% up. So these are the top gainers, and we have some of the DeFi coins are coming, like Synthetics Network, Sushi, Aave. So some of the DeFi coins, and Ocean Protocol is also there, the top in the past 24 hours gainers. And if you see past 24 hours top losers, we have Vite, Blockstack, not much losers guys, because 9.9. Other than that, Blockstack is 9.9. Other than that, which is less than 5%. So no losers at all. So overall market is a little bit bullish, and the Bitcoin is somewhat going sideways. That's a major thing. So let's do the Bitcoin technical analysis. So this is the most important thing, and you can see over here we have been forming this particular trend, and we have been following this particular trend from $10,000, and now we are there, and we are forming a crucial thing. That is a major update. So we know that we can take from here like this. So we can draw a trend line like this, and also we can use this particular thing. So from here 1, 2, or else I can use this one. Sorry, okay, 1, 2, again 3, 4 is the head, forming again right shoulder. So this is one of the possibility of forming head and shoulder pattern over a daily time frame. You can see if this Bitcoin, if this particular from here, if it turned bearish and forming this pattern like this, you can see over here, if it is going like this and it is reaching $18,433, it would be the right shoulder. And you can see this head and shoulder can be formed in this way also, not in the straight way, in slanting way also. So if this particular head and shoulder forms, it is it is a trend reversal pattern. So if it is in a bull trend and it is forming a head and shoulder pattern, then the trend will be reversed to bearish. So that's a major thing. And if we take the target, it would be huge guys. So you can see, this would be the target, the head area would be the target actually. So if we take this one, and if we take this breaking area, the price would bring the price to around $15,600. So this can also happen. This is one of the bearish scenario for Bitcoin. So keep this in mind. It can also form head and shoulder, but also it can invalidate this pattern also, because we have been forming another pattern over here. So this can be one of the triangle also, ascending triangle. It can be, if we are forming like this. If we are forming like this, this can be one of an ascending triangle. It can also form the ascending triangle like this. If I'm going to 4-hour time frame, you can have a look on this one. So this can also form like this. You can see over here. So it can touch this now, then it can break like this also. So this also there is a chance for happening like this also. In this case, if it is going to approach in this way, then the trend will be changed to bullish. It's already bullish, but it will continue the trend. So in this case, the target would be huge because we have to take from here. This is the major thing. Okay, so this is one of the important thing, and the triangles particular trend would be target would be around 23,000. So Bitcoin also formed this one also because it is also possible this for this particular ascending triangle, or else this head and shoulder pattern. So head and shoulder pattern is an bearish scenario. If it breaks down, we will be having a target of $15,500. Maybe it would come up to $16,000. That's a major thing. And in terms of bullish scenario, if we break this, if we form this particular ascending triangle, and if we are breaking above, we can expect $23,000 the target. So that's a major thing about this Bitcoin. And now next, let's see about the Ethereum. So Ethereum is also it's staying in a crucial area. You can see we have been talking about this ascending triangle in the previous videos, and we have formed this particular W pattern, and we broken this particular W pattern level, and still nothing has much changed, because you can see over here we have been forming this area, this W neckline as a support, and jumping over this area. So these are the things can happen. It can move like this, maybe over here, and then it can easily break above. It is also possible because we have formed a long big ascending triangle, and if we are breaking in this case, we would be the target would be $800. We have been discussing about this one. So this is the main update of Ethereum. Ethereum has in the longer time frame, it hasn't changed much, but looks like it's like we are getting more support from this level, that is this neckline of this particular W. So this indicates Ethereum will follow the bullish trend in the coming days. So that's a major update about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And one more thing we have to have a look on is this one, that is Injective protocol. So we have been discussing about Injective protocol in the previous videos. So how it works and what are the functions and what is the purpose of Injective protocol. So we have discussed a lot in the video that we have discussed about the Injective protocol. So if you want to have a look on what is Injective protocol, what are the things they are doing, you can have a look on that one, and I can attach that particular link in the description. So I have to show you a small update because it's pumping a lot, Injective protocol. After we have covered, you can see over here. So this is one of the ascending channel. So sorry, it's one of the bullish channel. So this channel has been formed, and this channel has been broken at $2.3. You can see over here it broke at $2.3, and it is pumping, and it is going actually parabolic. You can see over here because lots of updates on Injective protocol, like testnet has been launched, and lots of things are going on for Injective protocol. And you can see over here it's a tremendous gain, guys, tremendous gains. So you can see over here in the past, not for 30 days, in the past 7 days, it is 100%. It is around 87% up. So in the past 7 days, it is around 87% up from the past 7 days, and in the past 24 hours, we have 29% up. So it's a huge gain, and it made an all-time high of $3.41, and now it is dropped a little bit, but it made a all-time high of $3.45. So that's a major update about Injective protocol, one of the important project with less supply, that is 13.5 million supply. And you can see over here the rank is still a smaller cap altcoin, Injective protocol 188. So one of the important project, and it is pumping a lot. So this is a small update in terms of Injective protocol. And that's all for this video. So make sure this Injective protocol, I think it will pump a lot. But if you want to if you are going to buy this one, wait for some consolidation and then enter. That would be a good idea, because now you can see it is already went parabolic. So it's better to wait for some consolidation and then enter into this project. That's a major update. And that's all about this video. And we have discussed about Bitcoin and Ethereum technical analysis, and also we have discussed about Injective protocol, and about this particular Injective technical analysis also we have seen. So that's all for this video. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button, and also subscribe to the channel to support this channel. See you guys in another video of Crypto with CryptoMark. Until then, signing off, CryptoMark. See you guys.